Today here I am to tell about some abbreviations and that is related to administration. CBI. The full form of CBI is Central Bureau of Investigation, that is Detective Department. CID. The full form of CID is Criminal Investigation Department. RAW. Research and Analysis Wing. IAS. Indian Administrative Services, that is Civil Services in India. IPS. Indian Police Services, Police Service under Union Government. IFS. Indian Foreign Services. UPSC. Union Public Service Commission. PSC. The full form of PSC is Public Service Commission, that is in states. SUCI. Socialist Unity Center of India, that is a political party. RCPI. Revolutionary Communist Party of India. RSP. The full form of RSP is Revolutionary Socialist Party. INTUC. Indian National Trade Union Congress, that is a trade union. AITUC. All India Trade Union Congress. CITU. Center of Indian Trade Union. CMDA. Calcutta Metropolitan Development Authority. CIT. Calcutta Improvement Trust, now KIT. COFEPOSA. Conservation of Foreign Exchange and Prevention of Smuggling Act. CRP. Central Reserve Police, managed by Central Government. DIG. Deputy Inspector General. DGTD. Director General of Technical Development. ESI. Employees State Insurance. Ex officio, by virtue of one's office. FERA. Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, now replaced by Foreign Exchange Management Act. GNP. Gross National Product, total production of the country. HUDCO. Housing and Urban Development Corporation. IARI. Indian Agricultural Research Institute. ICAR. Indian Council of Agricultural Research. ICS. Indian Civil Services. IIPA. Indian Institute of Public Administration. IRDP. Integrated Rural Development Program. BDO. Block Development Officer. SDO. Sub-Divisional Officer. INA. Indian National Army, was led by Netaji Subhash Bose. IPC. Indian Penal Code, relating to punishment of criminals. CRPC. Criminal Procedure Code for Central Administration. ITUC. Indian Trade Union Congress. MLA. Member of Legislative Assembly Vidhan Sabha. MLC. Member of Legislative Council Vidhan Parishad. MP. Member of Parliament, now Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. MRTPC. Monopoly and Restrictive Trade Practices Commission. NABARD. NABARD. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. NAEP. National Adult Education Program. NDC. National Development Council. NPC. National Productivity Council. NSUI. National Union Students Union of India. PDA. Preventive Detention Act. POTA. Prevention of Terrorism Act. PTI. Press Trust of India. RSS. Rashtriya Swayam Sangh. SPCA. Society for the Prevention of Cruelty of Animals. UNI. United News of India. AGP. Assam Gana Parishad. AASU. All Assam Students Union. ULFA. United Liberation Front of Assam. MNF. Mizo National Front, a regional political party of Mizoram. JKLF. Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front. UMF. United Minority Front of Assam. AIADMK. All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. SGPC Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee, PSP Proja Socialist Party, SSP Samyukta Socialist Party, CPI Communist Party of India, CPIM Communist Party of India Marxist, SFDA Small Farmer Development Agency, AICC All India Congress Committee, ARC Administrative Reforms Commission, CADA Command Area Development Agency, CDB Community Development Program, DPI Director of Public Administration Instruction, IAAS Indian Audit and Account Service, ICC and Indian Council of Cultural Relations, CPC Civil Procedure Code, SSB Service Selection Board, CAG Comptroller and Auditor General, CEC Chief Election Commissioner, CEO Chief Electoral Officer, TAVP Directorate of Advertising and Visual Publicity, DGHC Darjeeling Gorkha Hill Council, EARC Economic and Administrative Reforms Commission, ESMA Essential Services Maintenance Act, ICDS Integrated Child Development Scheme, JMM Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, a regional party of Jharkhand, J&K Jammu and Kashmir constitute a single state, MOU Memorandum of Understanding relating to agreement, NBDB National Book Development Board, PSC Public Accounts Committee, NCP Nationalist Congress Party a political party, BSP Bahujan Samaj Party a political party. This is my new channel and the name of the channel is Competitive World of Shravani. Please subscribe my channel and to get new videos. This will be helpful for all the candidates who are preparing for competitive exams. Thank you so much.